From young, I always see street opera, every time when you look at that, wow, so pretty, so pretty. Then will I be able to do it one day? So this is the day that I have the chance to do it. It was really a coincidence that I began to get in touch with culture. I actually was just interested in the normal Cantonese pop, and then I saw banners along the CC's fans, and I thought, why not I try? Eventually, I really fell madly in love and so passionate about it. So from there, I started to learn how to sing, learn the movement, learn to do the makeup. This is my passion now. Yeah. Basically, we put toner and moisturizer as if we are doing modern makeup. This is to protect the base of your skin. Thereafter, then we put on the paint. They call stage paint. You put on a white base. Then they will start to outline the red color, starting from the eyes and the nose. Then you can see a T shape of white, and then this whole portion will be red. So we will try to have this darker on the eye, then slowly tone down up to the chin. It should be the same color as the top and the nose. The most difficult part is drawing the eyes and the eyebrow. For ladies, it is a little bit like liu su the liu. Then for the men, it's jian, like a sword. They always say for the girls, the eyes must be almond shaped and the mouth must be cherry shaped. Of course, you have very beautiful costume, colorful headgear, colorful this and that. But I believe if you have the skills, if you have the talent, and you showcase yourself very well, whatever costume you wear is already not material. The Chinese saying goes, 台上1分钟，台下10年功. I can tell you this is very, very true. Because in training, very fundamental basic can take up to few years. You have to be able to stretch all your muscle. You must be able to do the eye movement, facial expression, hands movement, and the use of long sleeve, use of props. So all these things takes time. It is not like overnight or 1 year, 2 years, you are able to acquire this. Previously, I've been in shows like Witty Maid, Matchmaker, or like Seductress, Once you are in the character, you are in the character. You forget who you are. I really enjoy because it's not like me. So there's not a chance in real life that I'll be able to be like that. After the end of the show, audience come up and tell you, hey, you did very well, and the applause. And once you achieve that, it's very satisfying. What you have learned is all worth it,